This is the best way and the only best way to have 불닭볶음면.
And I test recipes on the internet so you don't have to.
Let's just make the corn cheese. I'm gonna do the whole can of drained corn.
We're going with the whole can of drained corn. That seems like a lot.
3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Tablespoon of sugar. Okay.
3 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then a 1-to-1 ratio of mozzarella cheese. So like a whole can of mozzarella cheese.
Noodles in. We're then gonna drain the water.
Noodles in, cook, and then I drain the water. Turns out this is how you're supposed to use a colander. Who knew we were doing it wrong all this time? Ta-da!
I've seen people who don't pour the whole sauce packet because they think it's so spicy, but don't half-ass it, guys.
Alright, we're going in with full spice packet, y'all. I never go half. I go full.
Yeah, let it burn. Add the corn cheese in the microwave for about a minute. Oh my goodness.
I have a few recommendations for this recipe. The first of which is that we microwaved it for 1 minute as suggested, and it came out kind of cold. We chucked it in for a further 2 minutes, and then it came out looking better and melted. The next is that she says a whole can of corn, but I think she ends up using that between 2 packets of noodles. So if you end up going the whole can route, it definitely becomes a whole meal. The last thing is that the corn is already very sweet, and if I made this again for myself, I wouldn't bother adding any extra sugar. All in all, it was delicious and definitely worth trying. Just don't forget, all this corn is going to eventually make its way from one bowl to another bowl. And don't forget to follow me so I can make more internet recipes. Okay, love you, bye.